Hi guys, I'm going to show you the display setting on the entry level of the dual motor of the Mantis. It comes with a dual motor, but it was with Chinese cell, FST cell, 60 volt, 17.5 ampere hour. Now I'm going to show you how to set up the display here. For this kind of display, you need to push two buttons together. Enter the setting. P1, P0 is about the tire is 10 inch. And you got 10 inch and you want to save the setting, push button together again. And P1 is about voltage. It's actually about the cutting off the voltage. You could set about 52 volts on the P1. On the P2 is about the mechanism pieces inside the real motor. In the mini motor, it's about the sets, how many sets of the mechanism you have. On this kind of display, it's about how many pieces you have. And for this entry level of the Mantis, initially we use a lighter weight motor. It's about 1 kilo lighter than the standard motor we use on other scooters. So it will be 20 pieces of the mechanisms inside the motor. But nowadays, as the dealer want more power and doesn't care about 2 kilo extra on the weight, we use the bigger motor. And when you have the bigger motor, you could set up by 30 on the P2. And again on to P3 is about speed signal, doesn't need to be changed. P4 is about the unit you use for speed, it's either kilometer per hour or mile per hour. And on P5 it's about non-zero kickstart or zero start. When you set in the zero, it means zero start. When I put the throttle, it will just go away. If I set on 1 and make the save here, non-zero start, and it doesn't goes. And on the P6, it's about cruise control, and it's similar to the bicycle, e-bikes. And we keep the same speed for like 6 seconds, it will just goes away. Even if you release the throttle, you can unlock that by push the throttle again or make the brake. And on the P7, it got a powerful start or soft start. When you set up to 0, it means power start. When you set it to 1, it means soft start. And we're going to be power start. And at the beginning, if you just use the dual motor and it's quite powerful, even with the light mode, you can set with P7 to the 1 to get used to the dual motors. And again on the P8, it's about electric brake. And when you set to 1, the electric brake is on, and the motor will contribute on the brake when you pull the levers. And on the P9, it's about speed limit, set 100, so there's no speed meter. And the P8 is about the clean total distance traveled, clean the ODD. PB, now I think I just did. ODD was 0 now. And on the PB is about the auto turn off time in the minutes. Got 10 minutes, 9 minutes, so set to 5 minutes. And on the PC, it got brightness. We could go with the brightest. And that's all about the setting on this display. And in the entry level of the Mantis, we use a semi-hydraulic brake system. It means there's hydraulic inside this brake caliper, but the brake cable was just normal disc brake cables. And it's still very powerful scooter, and it's still very nice brake and accelerations. And on here we got my test units. I basically change every part on the scooters, and it was come with hydraulic brake. Hydraulic brake actually means there's hydraulic oil inside the caliper, and also this tube is full of the hydraulic. You have no chance to change the brake wire distance like the other ones. If you feel there's losing on the brake powers, you could adjust this little knot here and make the brake power a little bit more strong. And if you feel lose braking power. Even after you change the little screw nuts here, you could feel in some hydraulic from inside here. I will show you later. I think that's all I'm going to show you, and I hope you enjoy the video and enjoying riding. And if you have any question, you could give a comment. You can find me easily on Facebook. I'm making deals, but I'm here to answer your questions as well. Goodbye. Hope you guys could ride safely and enjoy your scooters.